Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to combine two videos to create a single one in HitFilm Express 17. So let's get started. First, we need a video to work on. For this, we will go to the import button, just click it and import a video. And we can see that our video has appeared in the media tab. So let's just drag it to the sequence. Now a dialog box will appear. Right now we are going to say no. And we can see that our video has appeared in the sequence. So now let's import another one. So let's repeat the same. Click on the import button, choose a video and open it. Now drag it to the sequence. And we can see that both of our videos has been joined together. So now let's add a music to it. For this, first we have to remove the original audios. So for this, right click on the first one and click on the unlink option. Now do the same with the second one. Right click on it and click on unlink. Now select the original audios of these two and press the delete key. We can see that the audios have been removed. So now let's import a video. So now let's import an audio. I already have an audio named Club over here. So let's open this one. We can see that our audio has also appeared in the media tab. So let's do the same and drag it to the sequence. Make sure to put it in the audio track. Now let's just listen to it. See that the video has ended, the audio is still going on. So we need to cut out the extra part. For this, take the slice tool right here and put a mark on where you want to cut it. Now take the selection tool again and right click on the extra part. Choose the option Ripple Delete Object. We can see that the extra audio has been removed. Now let's listen to it again. So now that we are done, there's only one thing left to do. Now we need to set the duration. Right now we only want the duration till our video. So put the timeline anywhere and press the P key on your keyboard. The grey part indicates the duration of the video and we can see that it is set till our video only. So now let's convert it into an MP4 video. For this, click on the export button over here. And then select the in-out area option. Go to export. And we can see that our video has been put in the export queue. Now click on the output location and select a folder. Now write the file name. And save it. Now, click on the Start Exporting button. We can see that our video has started exporting and the preview is shown right next to the queue. It also shows the time remaining and the time elapsed during the process. Now all we have to do is just wait. Now we can see that our video has finished exporting. So let's see it. Click on the output location again and it will take you to the folder where your video has been saved. It's right here. Let's watch it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.